Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the Zoom Workplace for Intune app is and how it's positioned. According to official App Store descriptions, Zoom Workplace for Intune is a business-focused version of Zoom designed for organizations using Microsoft Intune mobile application management. It provides standard Zoom communication tools like meetings, team chat, phone, whiteboard, calendar, mail, and notes within a single platform. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. Based on official listings, the app is specifically built to help IT administrators manage and protect corporate data on employee devices in bring-your-own-device environments. It includes mobile application management capabilities that allow organizations to control app data and reduce the risk of information leakage. According to official documentation, IT teams may be able to remotely remove the app and associated company data from a device if it is lost or compromised. The app is intended for enterprise users and requires a company work account along with a Microsoft-managed environment to function properly. Some features available in the standard Zoom Workplace app are included here, but access and functionality can depend on company policies and configuration settings. This app may be useful for organizations that need secure communication tools with centralized administrative control over employee devices. For users interested in enterprise collaboration combined with mobile device management through Intune, this could be an option. However, functionality depends heavily on organizational setup and IT policies, and this is not confirmed and should be considered a potential limitation. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.